हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आप सभी का त्रियांकुश लर्निंग चैनल में। आज के इस वीडियो में हम जानेंगे नेशनल पोस्टल डे। एक पैराग्राफ में मैंने लिखा हुआ है और वो आता है अक्टूबर 10 को। तो चलो देख लेते हैं। Though we are living in an age of emails, mobile phones and faxes, etc., but it is the postal service that has remained the largest mode of communication in India. This particularly holds true for last century when people relied on mail to send messages, draft checks and other important information. Indian Postal Service owes its origin to British who introduced mailing services in India with the arrival of new age technologies and new modes of communication. The usage of traditional mailing services has reduced, but it is still the primary source of communication in semi-urban and rural India. Indian Postal Service is an integral part of India, whether it's an army man sending letters to his family from the frontiers or a farmer dispatching money to his son receiving education in a town. Postal services has always helped in uniting India and its population. It is not easy to operate postal services in India with such diversity in culture, tradition, and difficult geographical terrains. Yet, the Indian Postal Department has kept serving the nation with admirable zeal and enthusiasm. It shows a different facet of the nation that binds us and brings us close to one another. National Postal Day is celebrated on October 10 every year. India Postal Department is serving the country for over 150 years, and that's no mean achievement. Indian Postal Celebration and extension of World Post Day. Universal Postal Union was founded in Brunei in 1874. The occasion is celebrated by countries all over the world. New postal products and services are introduced on this day. Other activities like open days at post offices, conferences, seminars and workshops, mail centers, etc. events are also organized on National Postal Day.